English Speaking 360 presents What Did You Do Last Summer? It is super easy English, and today we give you 8 questions and we will show you how to answer these 8 questions. Let's go together. What did you do last summer? Last summer Here you go. So if you look at the picture and you look at this, you know what it is. Go on a trip. Travel. Last summer, I go on a trip. Is it okay? No, it's not okay because go is not a past verb. What is the past form of the verb go? Went. Last summer, I went on a trip. This is a good answer, but it's a very, very short answer. So you should add a lot of extra information, many details. Here are some details for you. Go to Egypt, go with sister, see pyramids, be beautiful, be too hot. You ready? So now let's try. What did you do last summer? Last summer I went on a trip. I went to Egypt. I went with my sister. I saw the pyramids. It was beautiful, but it was too hot. This here is a good answer because you give a lot of information, many details, and you use the past. I went on a trip. I went to Egypt. Went, saw, was. These verbs are in the past because everything happened last summer. You're ready? Now give it one more try. Let's go. What did you do last summer? Good job! Let's go with the next one. Now look at the picture. Try to think of the answer. What did you do last summer? There you go. Go camping, go alone, stay 2 weeks, see nobody, be no internet, be boring. So you're ready? Now let's try to give a good answer. What did you do last summer? Last summer, I went camping. I went alone. I stayed for 2 weeks. I saw nobody. There was no internet. It was boring. Good? You ready? Your turn. One more time. What did you do last summer? Good. Let's go to the next one. What did you do last summer? There you go. You have all the ideas. Go to the beach, go with family, swim, make sandcastles, play volleyball, be fun. You ready? Now I want you to try first, okay? What did you do last summer? Last summer I went to the beach. I went with my family. I swam. I made sand castles. I played volleyball. It was fun. What did you do last summer? Stay home, read books, drink coffee, listen to jazz, be quiet, be relaxing. You ready? What did you do last summer? Good. What did you do last summer? Last summer I stayed home. I read many books. I drank good coffee. I listened to jazz. It was quiet. It was relaxing. What did you do last summer? Stay home, rain a lot, invite friends, play games, eat snacks, be fantastic. Give it a try. Let's go. What did you do last summer? Last summer I stayed home. It rained a lot. I invited some friends. We played video games. We ate snacks. It was fantastic. You notice now that it's we because you're together with some friends, right? So that's why we changed it to we. What did you do last summer? Had a party, be sunny, invite friends, cook on barbecue, drink cocktails, be lots of fun. What did you do last summer? Last summer I had a pool party. It was sunny, so I invited some friends. We cooked on the barbecue. We drank cocktails. It was lots of fun. What did you do last summer? Babysit cousins, not listen, be very active, fight a lot, ask questions, be hell. You ready? What did you do last summer? Last summer, I babysat my cousins. They didn't listen. They were very active. They fought a lot. They asked many questions. It was hell. This one is a little bit more difficult here, right? Because they didn't listen. Because this is a negative past. When it's negative, the past is here. They didn't listen. Okay? Listen doesn't have a past here. Only on did is the past. What did you do last summer? Had no vacation, work every day, wear a suit, give presentations, have meetings, be horrible. What did you do last summer? Last summer I had no vacation. I worked every day. I wore a suit every day. I gave presentations. I had meetings. It was horrible. Good job. Last question. What did you do last summer? I watched my favorite YouTube channel, English Speaking 360. Don't forget to like us, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.